Namaste everyone. Let's do some tapping for headache today. So let's sit down and begin to become aware. Begin to notice in the scale of 0 to 10 how strong is this headache. Find the number, and once you have the number, whether it's 5, 10, 8, 0 being no headache, 10 being highest, so remember the number, and let's begin to tap. Tap on your left side and say, even though I have this extreme headache, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself, and I forgive myself. Even though I have this headache, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself, and I forgive myself. One more time. Even though I'm going through this pain, the headache, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself, and I forgive myself. Now let's tap under the eye, this headache. On the temple, this headache. Forehead, this headache. Under the eye, this headache. Under the nose, this headache. On the chin, this headache. Top of the head, this headache. Now join this wrist and tap wrist together, this headache. Now tap from the shoulder downward, this headache, and throw the broken energy away. This headache. Both sides, this headache. This headache. Take a long deep breath. Breathe out. Become aware once again. In the scale of 0 to 10, where are you now? Has it gone any down or has it gone up? If it has gone down or even up, you keep tapping, keep doing the same tapping few more times until the headache goes away. Hope this video helps and let me know in the comment section. Namaskar.